Hello everyone, I Neha Thakkar, Assistant Professor at New LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. In earlier video lecture, we have started the unit 6, that is storage strategy. In that one, we have discussed about the indices, B tree and B plus tree. Today we are going to discuss about the hashing. We will also see the simple example of hashing, and we will also cover what are the types of hash function in this video lecture. So let's start with the basic concept of that. Earlier we have seen the concept of indices, right? The basic, we can say the use of that is what? If you want to search anything, so the index should be a important one. That means if any book is that, and if you want to find out, or if you want to search a particular number or a particular page or a topic, then what you are going for, you will just search it from the index, that where it is available. So you will be having a page number. So it will be easy for you to find out just that topic on that particular page number. So this is the index. Now we have seen how it is going to be used in a database. So we have seen different types of indices also, single level, multi-level, simple index. So what happened in that one? They just having what? A index table, particular search key is going to be stored in an index table. Now another type of the index is also a hash index, and that will be a faster one as compared to previous whatever we have seen the types of indices. So hash index is nothing, the use is same. Whatever the search key is there, right, that is going to be stored in a hash table. So here we will be having the concept of hash table. Now it is not going to be stored directly, but some hash function is going to be applied on that. Now we can see that the data is going to be a larger one, and that is going to be stored in what? A disk. So hashing is what? It's a technique that will directly search the location of the desired data on disk. We know that we need to fetch those data into main memory, then and then we can do some work on that. So whatever the data is stored in the data block, whose address that will be generated by what? The hash function. So in hashing we will be having the hash function. So whatever the thing is that is going to be stored in a hash table. Now for hashing we should have some concept, that is data bucket, hash function and hash index. So the data bucket is what? The data where it is going to be stored on a disk. So whatever the address is going to be generated, that is going to be that. Now how that address is supposed to get generated? So that is using hash function. So hash function is nothing, some mathematical operation we need to apply on a key. Key, that means in last we have taken one instructor table. In that one, whatever the primary key, that is ID is there, that is used as a search key. So here you can take any key according to the criteria. Hash index, that means it is having what? Depend upon what should be the size of the table. So hash index at that the particular address of, we can say, the data is going to be stored, which is in a data bucket. So that is the thing they are going to be used in what? The hashing concept. Now we will see the simple example of hashing. Suppose we will be having this is called a hash table. Now you can see that the size of hash table is, I have taken a 10. Actually it is going to be a larger one, but for easy understanding I'll be taking just a hash table of size what? A 10. Now you can see that this is index 0, 1, 2, so 0 to 9. Now here they'll store what? The key. For example, the key to be inserted are this. Normally whatever the table or a relation is there, in that whatever primary key, that will be normally we are taking as a what? Key. Right now for understanding I have taken some random value. Now it is not like that they are always having a number. It can be a name also. Search key can be a anything. So you can apply a hash function on that. Here the hash function I have taken, that is modulo 10. You can see that key modulo 10. So modulo 10, that means nothing, it is doing what? It will do the division and it will give you the remainder. So this is one type of hash function, that is division. that I have taken for the simplicity. We will see what are the others type of hash functions are there. Now, how it is going to be stored into the hash table. So, whatever the keys sequence is given, for example, the first is 33. So, I need to do what? A 33 modulo 10. So, modulo 10, that means it will divide by 10 and it will give you the remainder, that is 3. So, what happened? The 3 location at index 3, the 33 is going to be stored. Now, next is what? A 45. So, again the same process, 45 modulo 10. So, it will give me what? A fifth location, we can say. So, that is going to be stored here. Now, next is what? 56. So, if I'll do 56 modulo 10, it will give me the sixth location. So, 56 is stored here. Same way 12. So, 12 modulo 10. So, it is going to be stored at second location 19. So, where it is going to be stored? At the ninth location. So, this is the simple hash function I have applied on a key, and that will be stored in a hash table. Now, you should be having the clear idea of hash function. So, now we will see what can be the types of hash functions are there. The first one is a division method, then multiplication, mid square and folding method. Division method, just we have seen, that is nothing but what? A modulo. Now, we will go for the multiplication method. So, for that the hash function is counting like h of k, that means hash of any key equal to flow m of ka mod 1. So, ka mod 1 will gives you what? The fractional part of a ka. Then m is a total number of indices, that is in a hash table. We can say it is what? A size of hash table. Then for example, let a equal to some value, m size of indices, that is 1000, and key is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first it will do what? The apply the equation just we have seen. So you will be having first what? Mod 1, then it will give you this answer. After that 1000, here it is. So floor 1000 will be multiplied with that. So 617 point something. After that flow of that, so 617 it will be giving. So total we have seen that m equal to 1000. Here the size of indices hash table is 1000. So at location what? 617 it is going to be stored. This is multiplication method. The next one is what? Mid square method. So mid square method, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 is a key. Now what happened? The square of that is going to be done. So the answer is having this. Now from that you have to just mid one. You have to select the mid one. So 27. So we can say that the 27 is what? The location of the hash table. That means at 27th index number, the 1, 2, 3, 4 is going to be stored. The next is a folding method. So suppose we will be having 5, 6, 7, 8. In that one, the 5, 6 and 7, 8 are going to be separated and then they are going to be added. So we will be having what? A 1, 3, 4. So we can say that at location 1, 3, 4 in an index, or we can say in a hash table, our 5, 6, 7, 8 is going to be stored. So in this way we can apply the hashing function. There are so many types of hashing functions are there. Here we have include just only 3 to 4 which are normally used. So this is about a simple what is the meaning of hashing, what are the hash function, what are the concept is going to be used in a hashing. So in next video lecture, we will discuss what are the type of hashings are there. It may be possible that if you are going to apply some hash function and whatever the index you will be getting, that is in hash table, it may give that a one index. So how the data is going to be stored at the particular index, or which are the solutions are that for that problem. So that all the things we will see in the next lecture. Thank you for watching this video.